high school senior with the opportunity to win a brand new Toyota, Dallas Clay.
Serra Toyota is proud to support local high school students with perfect attendance records and great grades. For many years, Serra Toyota has given away a new vehicle to local high school seniors who have achieved perfect attendance for the academic year.
For the kids to look forward towards the end of the year, I just really think that it's just a huge opportunity for them and just gives them something a little bit extra to strive for.
Every year, the chosen finalist will get one key at random. The winner is the one who is able to open the door and start the car. Congratulations to our 2019 winner. The event is held to honor the memory of Christina Heichelbeck. Tragically, Christina was killed during the tornadoes that devastated Jefferson County in January of 2012. This is just one way we give back to the surrounding community. Serra Toyota is proud to support local high schools and the students that are our future.